It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Let's begin with the class. Today there will be 20 questions, and the 10 questions will be the questions I have framed. Okay, my CAT level questions or GRE level questions, and 10 level questions will be your PYQs. Right, 10 questions will be your PYQs. So let's start with the marathon series on quantitative aptitude. So this is the first question. The sum of three numbers is 132. Right? The sum of three numbers is 132. If the ratio between the first and second is 3:4, and that between second and third is 4:5, then what is the first number? Then what is the first number? Please do not give the options in the comments. Right? I'll give the poll. Start giving the options in the poll. Okay, start giving the options in the poll. Chalo, start karo sab log. मेरा पेन घूम गया है, पेन अभी ढूंढ लेता हूँ. So you'll see, I don't know, cause whenever I was taking numerical ability courses, whenever I was taking numerical ability special class, I was actually finishing up between only 10 to 15 questions, right? तो इसलिए मैंने ये किया. अगर टाइम बचता है, so after 10 questions I'll tell a story, okay? After 10 questions I'll tell a small story. तुम लोगों को भी rest चाहिए ना? So I'll tell a small story. Then we will begin with the class, right? Then we'll decide whatever is happening. Okay? Yes. 2 hours का ही है, हाँ? It is of 2 hours only. 2 hours पूरा लेना पड़ेगा मेरे को. हाँ, पता नहीं. Prajwal has come. Prajwal. Chalo, right? So we will solve this question. It is option A 33, right? It is option A 33. Okay, 1 minute. ये ना दूसरा pen लेना है, right? It is option A 33. Okay, let's solve this question now. Right? Let's solve this question. How? Right? So, what is the thing here? What is the thing they have mentioned? The sum of three numbers is 132. Right? Sum of three numbers is 132. So, what is this type of question? Right? What is this type of question? Is it ratio proportions or is it mixture or allegations? Right? Is it ratio proportions or mixture or allegations? Right? This is ratio and proportions. 3 people. So, I will take the 3 people as A, B and C, right? I'll take these 3 people as A, B and C. A plus B plus C is equal to what? 132, right? A plus B plus C is equal to 132. So what they have given, first and second is 3:4, right? So A is to B is equal to 3:4. Then what is the next thing I've got? Second and third, right? B is to C is equal to 4:5, right? B is to C is equal to 4:5. So I can write this all, right? I can write this all as what? ये दोनों similar ratios है ना, right? This is similar ratio. So can I write A is to B is to C as 3x is to 4x is to 5x, right? Because the ratio of B is common, right? The ratio of B is common. So 3x is to 4x is to 5x हो जाएगा. इसका value क्या है? 132, right? What they have told, sum of three numbers, right? So this is 3x plus 4x plus 5x equals 132, right? 3x plus 4x plus 5x equals 132. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 कितना है? I'm very weak in addition, right? I'm very weak in addition. Tell me people, how much is 9 plus this, right? So this is 12x is equal to 132, right? 12x is equal to 132, or x is equal to 132 by 12, right? X is equal to 132 by 12, which is 11. What is the question they are asking? How much is the first number, right? What is the first number? First number is 3x, right? So it is 3 into 11, which is equal to 33, right? This is 3 into 11, which is equal to 33. Clear? Was a simple question to start with, right? Was a simple question to start with, okay? Chalo, let's move on to the next question. Any doubts in this one? Any doubts in this one? Should I repeat this once more? Should I repeat this once more? Chalo, okay? Let's move on to the next question, right? Let's move on to the next question. A sum of rupees 15,525 is divided among Ram, Lakshman and Bharat such that if rupees 22, rupees 35 and rupees 48 be diminished from their shares respectively, the remaining sums shall be in the ratio 7:10:13. What would have been the ratio of their sums if rupees 16, rupees 77 and rupees 37 respectively were added to their original shares? Were added to their original shares. Abhi aa gaya, right? So let's see, right? For these questions, I'll give you 90 seconds of time, okay? These questions, I'll give you 90 seconds of time. Aaram se solve karke answer do, right? 1.7 seconds में कैसे आंसर मिल गया किसी को? मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं मानता. शायद मेरा पहला क्लासेस सब अटेंड किया है किसी ने, इसलिए इतना जल्दी हो गया. Acha, so I should start my classes at 10 o'clock. I should start my classes at 10 o'clock. Then only I'll get lots of people. पहली बार यार मैं भी शॉक हो गया हूँ. 134 people are there. कभी नहीं हुआ था ऐसा. आज मैं सेंचुरीज के ऊपर चला गया. आज मैं सेंचुरी के ऊपर, तो पक्का सीएसके ही जीतेगा. ये आईपीएल ना सीएसके ही जीतेगा, क्योंकि मैं 200 के ऊपर चला गया ना. This will be won by CSK only. This will be won by CSK only. चलो, right? हाँ, प्रज्वल आया ही नहीं. बुलाएंगे उसको, right? कोई प्रज्वल को बुला लो रे. Someone call Prajwal. Yes, okay. So let's go with the answer. Most of you have got the correct answer. It is option C, right? It is option C. So इसको solve कैसे करेंगे, right? So इसको solve कैसे करेंगे? So how is the amount distributed? What is the ratio of distribution of amount? It is 7:10:13, right? 7:10:13. So this is the distribution of amount, right? This is the distribution of amount. And how much has been subtracted from each shares? Diminished का मतलब क्या है? What does diminished mean? It has been subtracted, yes or no? How much is subtracted? 22, 35 and 48, right? So इधर पूरा कितना है? 15,525, right? So I will write this as 15,525 minus 22 minus 35 minus 48. कितना आएगा? कितना आएगा? So it is actually my number, 15,420. 15,420. My mom calls me as 420 every time, right? 15,420. So what is the sum of the ratio? What is the sum of the ratio here? Tell me. What is the sum of the ratio? So this is 7 plus 10 plus 13, right? The sum of the ratio is 30, right? The sum of the ratio is 30. So Ram ka share kitna hai? 7 hai, right? So how shall I find out Ram's share? How shall I find out Ram's share? So it is 7 divided by 30. Yes or no? The 7 divided by 30. And what is the total amount I have got? What is the total amount I have got? 15,420, right? 15,420. So similarly, Lakshman ka bhi same hoga. 10 divided by 30 into 15,420. And lastly, who is left? Bharat. So it will be 13 by 30 into 15,420, right? Into 15,420. So iska value kitna aata hai? 7 by 30 into 15,420. So this will be 3598, right? This will be 3598. This is 5140. If I'm wrong, please do correct me. And this is 6682. Right? This is 6682. So, right? So there is something else also, right? Something else they have added. Yes or no? They have added something else to the ratio, right? They have added something else to the ratio. So idhar tak sabko samajh aa gaya na? Because I'll be erasing the slide now, right? Everyone understood till here? How did we get this? So we have first how could this be solved in 1-2 seconds? You should ask the person who has solved in 1-2 seconds. मुझे तो नहीं पता ना, मुझे तो नहीं पता ना, right? You should ask the person. मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ ये सब, right? Yes, 15,420, right? So चलो, I will erase this. How much I am adding to all the shares? How much I am adding to all the shares? 16 rupees for Ram's share, 77 rupees for Lakshman's share, and 37 rupees for Bharat's share, right? Bharat का शेयर के लिए. तो राम का शेयर कितना था? हाँ क्वेश्चन लेंथी होता है, ज्यादा नहीं दूंगा, राइट? सो दिस इज 3598 plus 16. But is this correct? Because I have to do the 22 rupees also, right? Because it has been diminished from him. तो इसको भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा मुझे, right? 22. So this will be Ram. Is 2. What is Lakshman's share? 5140. कितना ऐड किया मैंने लक्ष्मण के शेयर को? कितना ऐड किया? 77 rupees plus 35 rupees, right? 77 plus 35 plus 77 plus 35, right? Then again, what is Bharat's share? What is the share of Bharat? It is 6682 plus कितना मुझे ऐड करना है? 48 और 37, right? 48 और 37 plus 48 plus 37, right? Plus 48 plus 37. So this is 3636 is to 5252 is to 6767, right? Is to 6767. So obviously divide by ये करो. So this is 36 is to 52 is to 67, right? 36 is to 52 is to 67. Option C is the correct answer, right? इतना बड़ा था यार, हाँ? इतना बड़ा था. How did someone solve it in 1 second? कुछ तो गलत है, right? Right? कुछ तो गलत है. चलो, टाइम ज्यादा दे दूंगा, right? टाइम ज्यादा दे दूंगा. चलो, we'll move on to the next question, and we'll move on to the next question. Question third. Rupees 2848 has been divided into 3 parts in such a way that half of the first parts, 1/3 of the second parts, and 1/6 of the third parts are equals, right? Half of the first part, 1/3 of the second part, and 1/6 of the third part are equal. The second part is how much? How much is the second part, right? So I will give off the options. I'll give off a bit of more time also. Don't worry with the time. आराम से solve करने ना. पूरा time है, 2 घंटे का time है, हाँ? किसी को अगर 1 घंटा पूरा चाहिए तो भी मैं दे दूंगा. अरे मैजिक. If you want me to increase the time, just use the thumbs up option. Thumbs up option use करो अगर ज्यादा टाइम चाहिए. So I will increase the time, right? I will increase the time. टी लिखे हो? हाँ टी, ठीक है, टी लिख लो. ये क्या प्लुप कर रहा है? It's your first class. Hello, welcome Suraj. Should I increase the time? Okay, थोड़ा लेट ही स्टार्ट करूंगा मैं, ठीक है? Should I increase the time? अब हो गया, ठीक है. सुप्रिया wants me to increase the time. चलो 15 seconds एक्स्ट्रा दिया. Yes, okay. Yes, C is the correct option. So 177 is the right answer, right? Well, sorry, 777 is the right answer. तो इसको कैसे करूं? See the question properly, right? The total amount is 2848, right? The total amount is 2848. The first part, right? Half of the first part. Half मतलब क्या है? 1/2, right? Half मतलब क्या है? 1/2. 1/3 of the second part, right? 1/3. 1/6, it is 1/6, right? It is 1/6. So I can write it as half of x is equal to 1/3 of y is equal to 1/6 of z. क्या मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूं? Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this, people? Right? 1/2x is equal to 1/3y is equal to 1/6 z. Okay? So x is equal to what? Right? X is equal to what? X is equal to 2a. Right? So y is equal to how much it will become? 3a. and z is equal to 6a, because these all are equals, right? These all are equal, so I am substituting it with the letter a, right? सब कुछ equal है, so I am substituting it with the letter a. So I can write this as x is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 6, right? X is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 6. तो total कितना हो गया? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11, right? 5 plus 6 is 11. कौन सा पूछा है? कौन सा पार्ट पूछा है उन लोगों ने? सेकंड पार्ट का पूछा है, right? They have asked the second part. Okay, how much is second part? 3, right? So y is equal to 3 divided by 11. What is the total? How much is the total? 2848. 3 by 11 into 2848. 3 by 11 into 2848, which is 776.72 to be precise, right? 776.72 to be precise. So approximately we will take it as 777 rupees, right? Approximately we will take it as 77 rupees, right? Easy hai, bahut easy hai question. Actually, this can be done in 4 seconds. This can be done in 4 seconds, right? Okay, right? Okay, this can be done in 4 seconds. Yes or no? देखो 1 by 2x, 1 by 3y, 1 by 6z. Substitute to a letter A, B, C, D, 26 letters है, जिसको भी substitute करना कर लो, right? और बाद में ऐसा ले लो. So you'll get the answer as 776.72, which is nothing but 777 rupees. Clear, everyone? Any doubts in this question? Any doubts? चलो, अपूर्वा ने no बोल दिया तो हो गया बात. Yes, this is a simple one. Chalo, let's do this. The ratio of father's age to the son's age is 4:1. The product of their age is 196. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be dash. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be dash. इसके लिए ज्यादा टाइम नहीं चाहिए ना, क्योंकि बहुत ही आसान वाला सवाल है. ठीक है, फिर भी दे देता हूं. शाहरुख खान ने भी बोला है, टाइमिंग इज एवरीथिंग. तो हम टाइम देते हैं, हम आशावादी इंसान हैं. Good. Sir, please give. Okay, so Suraj, you just message me on the Educator app, Baba. Right? Message me on the Educator app. Okay? I can't provide my Telegram link over here because it is prohibited by Unacademy now. Okay? Because of various other reasons. Okay? So you just message me on the Telegram. Means Unacademy app, hai na? Okay? Unacademy app is there. Right? So you can message me there. Unacademy learning app. You know, you can go to the message option. वो सोना रहेगा ना, सोना क्रेडिट्स वाला, तो 10 क्रेडिट जाएगा आराम से. 10 क्रेडिट, इट्स फाइन. यू कैन सी अनदर 10 मिनट्स. ओके, 10 क्रेडिट जाएगा, मुझे एक मैसेज कर दो. ओके, सो आई विल टेल यू देयर, राइट? आई विल गिव यू द डायरेक्शंस देयर. ओके, लाइक व्हाट रीजंस? यस, देयर आर रीजंस. चलो, यस, C is the correct option. It is 11:4. Right? C is the correct option. It is 11:4. Right? So 4:1 is given. So I will keep the father's age as 4x and the son's age as x. Right? Father's age as 4x, son's age as x. The product of their age is 196. Right? The product of their age is 196. So can I write it 4x square is equal to 196? Right? Can I write it as 4x square is equal to 196? So x square will be equal to 196 divided by 4. Which is nothing but 49, right? Which is nothing but 49. So x, I will take it as square root of 49, which is plus or minus 7. But age negative में नहीं जाता ना. Age cannot be negative. You can't tell he lived for minus 100 years, right? लोग आपको मारने start करेंगे, right? So we will take it as positive 11, right? We just take it as positive 7, right? Positive 7. So 4 into 7 is to 7, right? So this will be 28:7, right? This is 28:7. So after 5 years, so will we add 5 or will we subtract 5? After 5 years, so that means what? That is future, right? That is future. So this is 28 plus 5 and 7 plus 5, right? 28 plus 5, 33, and 7 plus 5 is 11, right? 33 is to 11. 11 ones are 11 threes are, right? 11 ones are 11 threes are. Sorry, what did I do? I did something. Sorry, this is 12. Sorry, right? This is 12. Sorry. Right? It is 33:12. Simple mistake होता रहता है मेरे से, right? 33:12. So this is equal to 11:4, right? 3 11s are 33, 3 4s are 12, right? 3 11s are 23, 3 4s are 12. Okay? 7 plus 5, right? So this is the reason why GATE and GRE are two difficult exams. In GRE we have computers, okay? तो उधर टक 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 करके हो जाता है. ये गेट करते वक्त सब लिखना पड़ता है, सब लिखना पड़ता है, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम होता है, राइट? 11:4. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, right? 11:4. Option C is the correct answer. Yes, there is no calci in GRE, so we have a virtual calculator there, so we use that. Sorry, scientific nahi lena jate, right? Yes. So the next question: the income of Shailesh, Ramesh, and Dinesh are in the ratio 7:9:12, and their expenditure are in the ratio 8:9:15. If a person saves 1/4 of his income, find the ratios of Shailesh, Ramesh, and Dinesh. Find the ratios of Shailesh, Ramesh, and Dinesh, right? So these are the 4 options. So tell me which is the right option. So actually Harish is making me, he's making me remember a great comedian of Telugu, Brahmanandam, right? So it is a meme material. Ade magic. Ade magic. It's from the movie Adurs. Telugu people might know this movie Adurs. Is Shivani there? Oh, King movie. Okay, sorry. हाँ ठीक है. हेलो सौरभ. हाँ, आज पहली बार इतना लोगों को देख रहा हूँ यार. 188 पीपल. आज मम्मी से बोलकर ये लगाना पड़ेगा. क्या लगाते हैं वो लगाना पड़ेगा मेरे को. हाँ टिक्का, सॉरी टीका. Should I increase the time? Because I see only one person has given the right answer. Okay. Question नहीं समझ में आया. Because only 4 people have given the right answers, इसलिए. Next PYQs आएगा, so don't worry about that, okay? So these questions will be tough because you have to prepare for the best, no? You have to prepare for the best. PYQs में easy हो जाएगा. Sir, language ठीक नहीं इसकी. किसकी language ठीक नहीं है? The question, right? कौन सा formula? अच्छा, right? So see here, what is the ratios given? 7:9:12, right? Income or expenditure, right? Income or expenditure क्या होता है? Salary and expenses, okay? मैं ही हूँ क्वेश्चन सेटर, मेरे को ही मारोगे तुम लोग, राइट? सो दिस इज सैलरी एंड एक्सपेंसेस, राइट? एक्सपेंडिचर मतलब आप कितना खर्च करने वाले हो, राइट? एक्सपेंडिचर मतलब आप कितना खर्च करने वाले हो. इनकम मतलब कितना आता है, राइट? सो दिस इज नथिंग बट कॉल्ड एज योर सैलरी, right? And this is nothing but called as your expenses, right? So what is the ratio of their salary? What is the ratio of their salary? The salary ratio is 7:9:12, right? और expenses का ratio क्या है? 8:9:15. One person saves 1/4 of his income. मतलब इसमें से 1/4 वो save करेगा, right? Each person, individual person, out of the salary he gets, 1/4 he will be saving. Now you understood? What is, yes, income is equal to expenditure or savings. तो सैलरी कैसे बांटा जाता है? आप अपना गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए खरीद के देते हो, सो दैट विल बी योर एक्सपेंसेस. मम्मी पापा के डर से आप थोड़ा बचा के रखते हो, सो दैट इज योर सेविंग्स, राइट? मम्मी पापा के डर से आप थोड़ा बचा के रखते हो, सो दैट इज योर सेविंग्स. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट सैलरी इज इक्वल टू, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट सैलरी इज इक्वल टू. सो लेट मी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो शुड आई गो फॉर द ब्लैक स्लाइड? इज व्हाइट स्लाइड एनफ एवरीवन? शुड आई गो फॉर द ब्लैक, क्योंकि इट विल चेंज ऑन white black होता रहेगा, इसलिए. Okay, so what have they given here? The expenditure ratios and this. They are saving 1/4 of the income, right? They are saving 1/4 of the income. So their salary is given as 7x, 9x, and 12x. Okay, and expenditure I will take it as 8y, 9y, and 15y respectively, right? 15y respectively. So what they have given, इसमें से कितना save कर रहे हैं रो? 1/4, right? He is saving 1/4. So salary of this person and expenditure of this person, 7x minus 8y. कितना बचा रहे हैं रो? 1/4 into 7x. Understood how I got this one? Understood how I got this? This is the salary of the person, right? This is the expenditure of the person. दोनों को subtract करेगा तो क्या मिलेगा? उसका savings, right? उसका savings. Similarly, I can do for the next person also. 9x minus 9y is equal to 1/4 into 9x, right? तो third person के लिए कितना होगा? 12x minus 15y is equal to 1/4 into 12x, right? 1/4 into 12x. Abhi anyone wants to solve now, right? I've did it easy now. Can you guys solve? Shall I do the poll once more? Will you solve? It's fine baba, hota rahega, right? Will you solve? ठीक है, अभी पोल वापस दे, अरे ऑप्शन दे दिया, right? अभी मुझे सॉल्व करो, right? Take 30 seconds and solve it now. ऑप्शन दे दिया already. So if I cancel it off also, you guys will be like, आपको पता ही रहेगा. Change the question. नहीं हो गया ना. So I wanted people to understand this, right? So this is how you will be getting the formula, right? This is how you will be getting the formula, right? What is 1/4? हाँ अभी solve करूँगा मैं, ठीक है? 1/4. So I can take any one value, right? Because y is similar everywhere, x is similar everywhere. तो y का value मैं ले सकता हूँ, right? So I will take this as 7x minus 7/4x. हाँ एक मिनट, वापस I'll explain, okay? वापस I'll explain. Who and all want me to explain once again? Everyone understood, right? Everyone understood, right? How did we get this? Okay, Harshita wants me to explain. ठीक है, I'll do it once more. Wait, I'll do it once more. Okay, I'll do it once more. रुको. अरे yes बोल रहे हो, no बोल रहे हो. I don't understand. You want me to explain once again or no? Right? I'll do it. Don't chill here. Okay. So salary is equal to, right, expenditure plus savings, right? Plus savings. Okay, with question, right? So go back here. What is the salary given? It is 7, 9, and 12, right? 7, 9, and 10. So this is 7x, 9x, and 12x, right? What is expenditure? What is expenditure? It is 8, 9, and 15, right? So this is 8y, 9y, and 15y, right? So 3 people are there. So let us take it as A, B, and C. What is the salary of A? 7x. What is the expenditure? तो ये इधर जाएगा ना, minus हो जाएगा ना, when it goes to the left hand side. 7x minus 8y is equal to, what is the income he's having? What is the savings? 1/4 of his income, right? 1/4 of 7x, right? 1/4 of 7x. Similarly for B, it will be 9x minus 9y. 9x minus 9y is equal to 1/4. What is his income? 9x, right? What is his income? 9x. So what is C again? 12x minus 15y is equal to 1/4. What is the income? Into 12x. Understood now? Shrinu? Understood? Shrinu, Samyak, Harshita, everyone? Shall I move forward with the solution now? Right? So you can see here y is same everywhere, right? Y is same everywhere. So I'm taking the equation of A, okay? So I'm moving out this side, okay? 7x minus 7/4x is equal to 8y. Can I write this? Can I write this? See the A equation. मैं इसको इस साइड डाल रहा हूँ, right? 1/4 into 7x is 7/4x, right? 1/4 into 7x. So what will be y equal to? Y equal to 21/32x. When you solve this, दोनों improper fractions में solve this, y is equal to 21/32x. Can I substitute this y here? Can I substitute this y in B value? So B का savings कितना है? 9x minus 9y is equal to 9/4x. You already know y is equal to 21/32, right? You already know y is equal to 21/32. So I can write it as 9x minus 9 into 21/32 is equal to 9/4x. Can I write it in this manner, right? So what I'll be getting the total? What I'll be getting the total? 99/32x, right? What I'll be getting total? 99/32x. सबको मिल रहा है same, okay? So we will find out for C. 12x minus 15 into 21/32 is equal to 12/4x, right? Is equal to 12/4x. तो इसका वैल्यू कितना होगा? 69/32x, right? This is equal to 69/32x. सेम इस पर मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा अभी. Same I will put it for A. So I'll get the value of A, and I'll get the value of A as 56 by 32x, right? I'll get the value of A as 56 by 32x. So A is to B is to C. So what I'm getting? 56 bar 32 is to 99 bar 32 is to 69 by 32, right? Is to 69 by 32. So what is my ratio? What is my ratio? 56 is to 99 is to 69. Yes or no? What is my ratio? 56 is to 99 is to 69. 59, 56. Is it 59 by 32 or 56 by 32? Can someone see that? It is 56 by 32 only, no? Sorry, typo mistake there. Right, it is 56 is to 99 is to 69, right? 56 is to 99 is to 69. So option E is the correct answer. Typo nahi hai, actually it goes by this only. If you have solved the question, you will go for the option E only, nearer answer, right? Any doubts in this question? Should I do it off? Right, simple way I will explain it. Salary is equal to expenditure plus savings. You know the salary, you know the expenditure, you know the savings also. Karo, Y ka value find out karo. Then substitute the value of Y in 3 of them, you will get in ratios. Then give the answer. Clear? Shall we move on to the next question?
साधन सी है ये